Yes.
Yeah, look at the crew. Yeah, very good.
It is.
I definitely go back and buy that again. That is nice. It's not dead. We're not dead. Yup. Out of 10. But I want to go back. In fact, I am going back. So you're probably like very confused as to why I'm just eat a pizza in front of your face. No explanations. But every month when I get paid, I try to go to at least one new restaurant. Saw this come up on my IG page and I was like, yes, need to get. And I did.